The water's warmer than the air today. And I'm not the only boat on the water. There's some trailers here. All right, gonna launch this thing. All right, here we are underway for our Torqeedo test in the cold. Air temperature 0 degrees Celsius, that's 32 Fahrenheit. Light snow falling, light snow on the ground, fog on the water, beautiful day. Currently cruising along at about 7 kilometers per hour. And I'm just gonna go and do some sightseeing and hopefully get some photographs and some video on this beautiful fall day. Oh right, today's boat and motor combination. The boat is a quick canoe electric designed by Michael Storer and built by me. And the motor is a Torqeedo 1103 electric outboard. The boat is about 15 feet long, kind of somewhere between a skiff and a canoe. Trick for me today is going to be staying warm. It's I'm wearing a dry suit and heavyweight polypropylene mid-layer toque, gloves, wool socks, but still it's cool out here. I just checked the trip computer on the Torqeedo, and it's saying that we have 28 kilometers range remaining at this speed, and this speed is 8 kilometers an hour. And I'm not going 28 kilometers out here today. So, but we'll do a nice boat ride. Just passing the Cars airstrip now. It's mostly used by gliders. I don't think too many gliders will be up today. Just passing Baxter's Beach now. Quiet day at the beach. Nobody swimming, sunbathing. I don't see a single car in the parking lot. Alright, that's kind of as far as I was planning on going today. So let's take a look at our halfway mark numbers before I turn around. There we are. We've been traveling for almost exactly an hour. with an average speed of 7.6 kilometers per hour. Total distance 7.6 kilometers. Temperature still about 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. The snow has stopped. Let's take a look at the trip computer on the Torqeedo. All right, trip computer saying we have 20 kilometers remaining at this speed. We're going through 240 watts of power, 74% battery remaining, speed 6.5. All right, let's turn it around. We'll be returning into a bit of a headwind, but that's a good way to do a range test. Go with the wind one way and against the wind the other. So the return trip will be both slower and colder. That's okay, I can sit down in the bottom of the boat if I need to. All right, about 8 kilometers to go to get back to the boat launch where I left from. Oh yeah, it's a lot colder going this way. I've sat down in the bottom of the boat, trying to get out of the wind a bit. Okay, there it is. I'm back in my van. I'm just sitting here with the heat on. Gonna take the boat out of the water in a few minutes. So at any rate, I traveled 15 kilometers, just over 15 kilometers, with an average speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. The temperature right now is 1 degree, so that's as warm as it got today. It's noon now. I started off just below zero. Snowing, a bit of a breeze. The 39% battery remaining on the Torqeedo. So that's a 15-foot plywood skiff, average 7.5 kilometers an hour for 2 hours with 39% battery remaining at 0 degrees Celsius. That's it. Thanks. Bye.